and the second type of sex chromosomes, ZW chromosomes, that presented in birds' females, and called heteromorphic, or heterogametic chromosomes, whereas ZZ chromosomes, found in birds' males, and called homomorphic, or homogametic chromosomes. Therefore, birds' sex chromosomes are an opposite of mammal sex chromosomes. Finally, the third type of sex chromosomes, XX chromosome, that represented in insects' females, and called homomorphic, or homogametic chromosomes. Meanwhile, X0 chromosome, found in insects' males, and called heteromorphic, or heterogametic chromosomes. So, this chromosome, called bar chromosome as well, as mentioned inside slide